The air-conditioned seats in the 4th-gen Dodge Ram literally suck. Like they actually suck air instead of blowing it. So we decided to do something about that. With a simple 12-volt power, you get 3 modes of cooling and 3 modes of heating. In addition to the ducted foam that the seats normally come with, it also required 2 modifications. An intake for the fan that blows air and an exhaust tube where the exhaust air goes. As this cools air to blow through the seat, it does have an exhaust of warm air that it blows out underneath the seat. These seats were done in a Katzkin black leather wrap with heather gray suede skin inserts and matching contrast stitching. As mentioned earlier, these do feature the Katzkin Degreez heating and cooling kits on both sides. If you're looking for a special set of seats for your car, truck, or SUV, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to discuss custom builds and even OEM upgrades that are sometimes as simple as a plug-and-play install.